Okay, so good afternoon guys. So for today's vlog, it's currently 5:07 p.m. and it's July 2 today. So ayan, meron tayong good news dahil naka-ready na guys yung aking affidavit of support from the other country, and then kailangan niya lang din na isend sa akin. So yung ginamit ko na address will be here na lang para hindi na ako makapunta or kailangan pumunta doon sa kabila, which is on my workplace. Kasi the last time yung in-address sa akin, yung address na ginamit ko is in my workplace, and this time naman, yung ginamit ko is yung mas malapit kung nasaan ako. So, which is dito. So, yeah, na-address ko siya guys sa workplace ng jowa ng kapatid ko, and sa workplace niya doon before. Kasi malapit lang dito, kaysa naman na-address ko pa doon sa aking workplace. So, that's a good news. And, anyways, wait lang guys, sana ko lang muna to. Right, so, ayun na, at the same time, alam niyo yung medyo feeling na, may konting init, dahil sa paghihintay, but I think it's just, you know, normal naman na, makaramdam ng medyo maiinit na sa paghihintay. So, it's been, I think, or I guess that it's going to be 2 weeks late, or madelay yung flight, and what's this called, sa ano ko naman, in my workplace, sobrang abala na sila sa akin, and they are always calling me, checking me out where I am, or something like that. So, kaya kasi hindi pa ako ready to communicate with them, you know. So, yeah, maghintay na ako ng tamang panahon just to talk with them about these things. But right now, guys, let's gonna do a coffee. So, for the whole day talaga, dito lang ako nagstay, and hindi ako nakalabas this afternoon. It's because maulan. So, I prefer just to stay here and to go to what's this called doon, sa labas. Actually, umalis naman ako kanina, mga lunchtime, and I tried to use their Peso Wi-Fi because I really don't know, guys, why my cell phone could not upload my videos dito sa YouTube. So, I just tried to upload and connect to their Peso Wi-Fi outside. And at the same time, doon na lang din ako kumain dahil malapit naman na din yung Peso Wi-Fi and then yung kainan. So, yeah. Today we're gonna do like coffee, guys. Kasi meron na naman akong chance na nakapag-usap. So, I'm happy din kasi nga yung papel na kinakailangan ko is naka-ready na. So, kailangan na lang din na ipadala sa akin dito sa Pilipinas. So, it will take, sa DHL courier kasi guys, it will take 7 days. Before, napadalhan ako ng papel din, the same din, and it takes 7 days. So, yeah, yun din for sure yung kailangan kong hintayin. So, that's gonna be July 9 na nga, yung tentative na date sa flight ko ulit. So, let's see, and update ko naman na kayo for that thing. So, yeah, anyways, dito muna tayo guys, masistay. Wala akong other na ginawa na kung ano, but just to relax lang, uminom ng kape, kumain, lumabas, konting walk. And etong afternoon pala, plano ko din na lumabas, going to the beach, pero tingnan natin kung makakaalas ako. So, ayan lamang guys. And for the update sa ating kailangan na i-comply na papel. Okay, so see you sa aking next vlog. Bye-bye for now.